Hey guys, today we're talking about trailer maintenance. To ensure that your PJ trailer is safely on the road for years to come, you have to regularly maintain and service it properly. What we're going over today is general minimum maintenance. However, depending on your usage, cargo, mileage, and even environmental factors, your trailer may need more regular maintenance. Consult your PJ dealer for more information on specialized maintenance. Before each tow, you should do a general inspection of the major parts of your trailer. This includes, but is not limited to, the brake system, safety chains, breakaway system, coupler, tires, and the wheels. NATM's website provides a great checklist of general inspection items that goes into greater detail. Each month, you should remember to lubricate the trailer's tilt deck pivot points and the hydraulic cylinder ends to maintain proper movement and functionality. Again, if you have any questions regarding specific part maintenance, contact your local PJ dealer. Every year, or approximately 12,000 miles, you should check all brake systems for scoring and wear and replace if necessary. Go over the structure of the trailer and check frame members, welds, axles, doors, ramps, and the gates. Ensure that they are all properly lubricated and that nothing is worn or broken. Go over the wheels. Check the bearings and the rims for cracks and dents. Finally, check the axles for proper trailer alignment. Measure the distance from the coupler socket to the end of the axle spindle. These should be within a 1/4 inch of each other on both sides. If not, talk to your dealer about trailer realignment. For more information on trailer maintenance, visit trailersafetyweek.com or hit the link in the description. If you have a specific question regarding your PJ trailer, reach out to your local dealer. As always, stay safe out there. Thanks guys.